Hi everyone! So for me, facials are a very important part of the beauty regime when it comes to keeping a healthy complexion. But the professional facials which are available outside in the market can be a little more expensive than usual. But I believe that there are a lot of spa-like products that are available in the market which can actually give you facial experience. I have been complimented a lot by a lot of my followers, my family, my friends that there's something different about my skin and the fact that it's glowing nowadays. So I don't do much. I just use my two-step deep cleansing routine at home. I just use the tan removal scrub and pack by Everyuth Naturals. That's like my go-to. I have used these products before as well, and I use this whenever I want an instant brightness from within, and this gives me a very fresh and revitalized look, and it also gets rid of all the tanning that I often get because of the exposure in the sunlight. So I'm going to show you how I exactly use this. I use the Everyuth Naturals Pure and Light Tan Removal Face and Body Scrub. I wet my skin a bit and then apply the scrub, massaging it with brisk circular motions for 2 minutes, making sure that I focus on areas around the nose and forehead because that's where I get the oil the most. It offers a perfect blend of cherry, which brightens my skin completely, and chocolate that detoxifies my skin. The scrub gently washes away the tanned dead skin cells while uncovering skin's natural brightness, and it is suitable for face, neck and other areas exposed to sunlight such as arms and shoulders. After that, I use the Everyuth Naturals Pure and Light Tan Removal Face and Body Pack that helps to detoxify the skin and remove tanning. I apply a thin layer of the pack on the skin and I allow it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes and then just rinse off. It makes the skin look visibly brighter, fresher and much more revitalized.
So that's my deep cleansing routine, and I definitely use these products throughout the year once a week.
Let me know if you try these products in the comment section and let me know your experience. I will definitely link them in the information box below. Like, share and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you very soon.